yours.
It's broken.
Be happy to pay for it. You know, my bad luck.
Wait. Your hand. It's bleeding.
It's all right. Got this.
No, I'll fix it. I'm a nurse.
Okay. Thank you. You know, at the restaurant, I would have bet anything that you were this girl I used to know. But, you know, now seeing you here, you don't really look that much like her at all. Must be hallucinating. It's crazy about her.